Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Cherokee cabin filter, updated. Start by opening the glove box and gently lowering it to access the filter housing behind it. Remove the cover screws and slide out the old filter, noting its orientation. Clean debris from the housing with a soft cloth and vacuum if needed. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing correctly, replace the cover, and secure the glove box back into place. In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Cherokee cabin filter, updated. Begin by confirming the exact filter size and having tools ready on a clean work surface. Turn the vehicle off and open the glove box, lowering it to reveal the housing fasteners. Remove screws carefully and set them aside to avoid loss. Inspect the cavity, vacuum loose debris, and note how the old filter sits so you can match orientation during installation. In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Cherokee cabin filter, updated. Lower the glove box fully by pressing the sides or releasing the stops, exposing the rectangular filter housing. Remove the cover by unscrewing or unclipping the fasteners and slide the used filter out while observing the airflow arrow direction. Insert the new filter in the same orientation, secure the housing cover, and restore the glove box stops. Dispose of the old.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.